What's up, all you Billy Big Riggers out there doing your cool on the stool and hot on the mic? Got some video about my semi truck. She's got 3 speeds and no trailer, so in the meantime I'm just gonna do spinny burnies in the dirt. Caught them on slow mo, so it's a lot of fun. Hope y'all enjoy it. Puppy. Trying to drive it with one hand. Pretty funny. Trying to film my hand. Of course, I hit the weed.